Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Tech Tip with Hivehouse Digital. I'm going to show you how to connect your social media accounts through HubSpot so you can quickly create and schedule posts through their portal. All right, so first things first, we are here on the home page. You're going to click here and then Profile and Preferences. You'll scroll down to Marketing and then click on Social right here. And then you will just click Connect Accounts. Facebook and Instagram are together, so once you sign into one, you'll sign into the other. I am logged into our account already on Facebook, so this is showcasing all of our different brands. I'm going to scroll down and click on Hivehouse, and here we go, and then Connect. Easy as that.